Hey guys, I'm Preston.
And I'm Krista, and we're two people from New York City who love to travel, eat, and create memorable experiences.
To commemorate the historic win of the South Korean film Parasite for sweeping the Oscars, winning 4 of them, and being the first foreign language film to win Best Picture, we were inspired to recreate the yummy, yummy, yummy Lucky Noodle dish that was featured in one of their scenes.
Absolutely, and we're also on a bit of an Asian high because I'm half Japanese, Preston's Korean, so we have to try this dish and see what it's gonna taste like.
This will be our honest attempt to make it. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
If you're going to make a Korean meal, then you should probably go to Korean supermarket. We're here at H Mart, the OG Korean supermarket chain in the United States. But you can also find these ingredients in other supermarkets as well, but since this one is in our neighborhood, we're going to give it some love and go check it out. Let's go, let's go, let's go! The dish we're going to make, it's called Jjapaguri, which is a dish that combines 2 of the most famous Korean instant noodle packs. Noguri, which is a spicy seafood ramen-style noodle dish. Chapagetti, which is a Korean Chinese instant ramen version of jjajangmyeon, black bean noodle sauce. So if you combine the 2 of them, then you get Jjapaguri.
It's Jjapaguri time! So the great thing about Jjapaguri is that it's super easy to make because you only need 3 ingredients. The first 2 consist of instant ramens, and the third is a protein that you can add to elevate the meal. Starting with the first one, is called Chapagetti. We had this a couple times. It's modeled after the Korean Chinese black bean noodle. It's actually really, really good and very, very happy to try it again. The second, my favorite, is called Noguri! If you're Korean or if you're Asian, you probably know what this is. But this is a spicy seafood ramen. My family and I had it so many times growing up, and I believe for Krista, she had it every day after school as an after-school snack. Very, very spicy. The third is any good cut of beef that you can add. The movie Parasite added sirloin steak. We honestly went to just Trader Joe's and got organic grass-fed sirloin beef steak right here. Should definitely do the job. And last but not least, you cannot start or make any Asian or Korean meals without a good old beer. For us, we got one of our favorite Korean beers called Cloud. Nice, crisp, and refreshing. That's it. 4 things, including the beer. Let's get started. Oh wait, one more thing. Gotta crack this open and enjoy. Cheers. All right, let's get cooking.
So good. Well, it's my turn to prepare the sirloin steak. In order to season it, we're gonna use some salt and pepper, classic, and also a little bit of butter for later on. But I have a little bit of secret. When it comes to cutting steak, I don't like to use kitchen knives. I actually prefer to use kitchen shears. Don't judge me, internet, but I find it so much easier to do. So what we need to do this steak is we're gonna cut it into 1/2 inch cubes, and then after that, we're gonna throw it into our saute pan and cook it up. So, okay, whew. Nervous. Everyone is going to tell me what a bad idea this is, but that's all right. I'm very comfortable handling meat in this manner. Biggest thing is just to be careful of your appendages. Do not get your fingers to mistake them as a piece of beef. I actually think it would be really funny if I just cut my fingers after just saying that, but clear. All right, let's see, is this a 1/2 inch? Is that a 1/2 inch? I think that's a 1/2 inch. And this looks like it's also a 1/2 inch. With the sirloin steak, I think we chose this over the ribeye, which we've heard other people use, is because it looks like it has a lot less fat or the sinew, so it's just a little bit easier to cut and deal with. But also we're paying homage to Parasite. They use sirloin steak in the film, so we're gonna try to be as close to the original as possible. Okay, one more cut. Get this little puppy out there, and we're done. Look at that, et voila. Sirloin steak cubes, look how cute, oh yeah. Time to cook the beef in our saute pan. I'm gonna add it in. There we go. And then we're gonna season it right now with some salt and pepper. Give it a little mix, 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 mix. Mix and mix. Oh, I forgot the olive oil. Okay. And the olive oil, just like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. I don't know, it really depends on how you prefer to cook your beef. I like a little bit of extra lubrication in there. We're gonna add high heat to this baby. Woo! And then we're gonna cook it for 2-3 minutes until it starts to get this beautiful brown caramelization, and then we're gonna add the next ingredients. All right, let's see these little babies cook and turn delicious, because I'm getting really hungry. I got the munchies after drinking some beer. Woo, it's sizzling, it's beautiful right now. And we're gonna add the butter to give it that beautiful, buttery, rich flavor. All right, and we're gonna wait for the beef to cook maybe about a minute or 2 to get this rich golden caramelization on the exterior. Oh, that smells so good though. All that butter caramelized on one side, and then I'll just give it a little flip-flipperoo. That smells so good. All right, turn the heat off. And we're done. Success.
Now let's see what's inside these noodle packages. Starting with the Chapagetti. So there's a serrated edge right here. Just kind of rip it nice and easy. Oh yeah, there are the noodles. Let's take this out. So you got good old noodles right there. Oh man, brings back memories. And oh, we got the vegetable mix with the vegetable flakes. You got the soup base, the black bean soup base in here, and you got the oil. Very cool. Next, noguri. Let's try this guy. Open this guy like so. Ooh, noodle again. One key difference, this is actually a little bit thicker. Very interesting. So you get the vegetable flakes again, like the Chapagetti, and you get the soup base. Bread, very, very spicy. And here we have it. One other cool fact is that, as you can see, oh my God, noodles everywhere. As you can see from the package, they're both owned by the same company, Nongshim. And in 2013, Nongshim actually introduced the concept of combining noguri with Jjapagetti to make Jjapaguri. And since then, it became a beloved and popular dish in Korea. So, time to make it. To get started, you want to first make sure you have 3 cups of boiling water. Once the water reaches a nice boil, then you add in the noodles and the packets of vegetable flakes. Let's do it. This is the Chapagetti noodles. Bye-bye. Ooh. Noguri noodles. It's hot in there. And then these are the 2 packets of vegetable flakes. Okay, here goes one. Here goes the second one. Okay. Once those are in, you want to grab a pair of tongs or long chopsticks in our case, and boil this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And make sure that you use your chopstick and tongs to stir the noodles around so they don't get stuck. Oh wow, like the umami vegetable flavors are already coming out. Wow, this looks amazing. We're almost there, we're almost getting there. Spread the noodles like so. Spreads apart really easily. The dish is coming alive. Now the boiling's done, time to strain them. So I'm gonna grab this pot over here with my handy mitts, bring them over to the sink, pour them through a strainer, but make sure you strain into a bowl. Oh, perfect. So once you strain the noodles, you want to grab the noodles and the vegetables in the strainer and put it back into the pot, like so. Next, you want to grab 1 cup of this soup that you poured through here, pour it back into the bowl with the noodles and veggies, like so. Okay, we're almost there, we're almost there. You want to bring the flavor on. Enter the entire packet of Chapagetti into the pot with the noodles and the broth. Ho, 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 ho. Wow, look at that. Next, you want to grab the noguri soup packet. Remember, this is super, super spicy, so most people, including us Koreans, only use half the packet. And that's what we're gonna do now. Pinch half the packet and pour it in. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Finally, Put the entire contents of the oil like so. Gently stir everything together. Oh my God, it smells incredible. Okay, while the noodles are back in, turn the heat on just a little bit, medium heat, so it's nice and hot when you eat it. You grab the beef that Krista lovely cooked, and then you just stir everything for about 1 minute so that everything is mixed together. So after stirring about 1 minute to 2 minutes, you can see how it's starting to thick up beautifully right now. The sauce coats each noodle perfectly. The brown and reddish noguri sauce is glistening in the light perfectly. Getting all the good bits on the side here, so we leave nothing in the pot.
We did it!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Woo!
It smells so good.
I can't wait to dig into it.
But before we eat, what do we have to do?
Celebratory drink of cloud.
Woo! Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my God, that is so good.
It's the best.
All right,
My
I
favorite.
am ready to dig in. Here we go. Here we go. Me first, me first.
You first.
Look at this. Oh my God. Hold on. That is really good.
I want to try. Oh, can I try?
Wow. The noodles are fantastic, but what really hits me is now I finally understand the magic that is created when you combine both the noodles together. The spiciness of the noguri just balances out the savory and almost a little semi-greasiness of the chapagetti, and together it just goes well and has the perfect balance. Wow, you gotta try it now.
Okay, my turn. You just made that sound so good. Oh, listen to this. Oh, that sound is the best. Okay.
Oh my God,
I'm
I'm
gonna
so
get a little bit of noodle here with some sirloin steak cubes. Oh, that's hard. Hold on. Ah! There we
you
go.
can do it.
I can. Oh man, this is a fail. Huh. I need more. Hold on.
What do you think?
Oh my God. Oh my God. They're not lying. This is so good. What really stands out is the texture of the noodles. It has a slightly chewy bounce, a little bit like airy as well. And then just the texture of the beef juxtaposing with the noodles as well. It adds a really nice textural element. And the flavor. Oh my God, so good. I'm gonna take another bite really quick. Hold on.
How good is it?
I'm so happy.
Thank you so much again to Parasite for introducing this wonderful dish to us. As a Korean American, I never heard of this dish before, and I'm so glad, so glad that we're able to make it because it's absolutely delicious.
And also congratulations again, Parasite, for being the first foreign film to win the Best Picture at the Oscars. Congrats!
If you want to see more videos like these, comment down below. But thank you again for watching. Please like, subscribe, click the notification bell so you know when the next video drops.
And also keep a lookout for our Seoul travel video where we'll be eating more authentic Korean food similar to this. Thanks so much for joining us. Hope to see you guys on the next video, and
Sayonara! Another bite. Another bite. Let's go.
Oh my God, I really love this. I'm so glad we have more packets too.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God, it's so good.
This is so good.
Oh, my poor cat. He's crying, he wants to eat some.
Come here. Come here. You want to try it too. This is Jjapaguri. Do you like it?
No? What do you think? Oh, he licked his lips!
He licked his lips. All right, say bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Time for us to eat. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh man, that heat. I love it.
Oh my god. Chase it with the beer? Good job.
Bye! For real this time.